everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am back in my room in California. I moved back, but I'm so happy to be back, even though there was some things I don't want to get into because it's personal, but I did have to come back for a family matter. That being said, it is personal. I really don't want to go into detail, but I am back and I am doing my first tutorial since I've been back. It is my favorite go-to holiday makeup, Christmas makeup, well, whatever. It's my go-to Christmas makeup look that I wear pretty much every year on Christmas Day. It is a red lip with a gold eyeshadows, like beautiful, like rosy cheeks and very shimmery and all that stuff. I really love to do this look, and if you guys like the way that this looks, just you want to see how I did this, just keep on watching. Alrighty, so I want to prime my eye. I already have my face on. I'm doing another a review. I'm doing Painterly Paint Pot all over my eye, from my eye to my brow. And I have a Hall's cough drop in my mouth, you guys. I apologize, but I just have this cough since I came back from Texas, and it just won't go away. I'm a little sick. I feel like I'm a little sick. Like, this cough is so bad, but I feel good at the same time. I don't know. I'm gonna take Patina with the Morphe brush. This is just a 513 brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick some of this up, and I'm just going to place this all over my lid. Well, not my lid, from my crease to my brow. I like to do that for this look here. Gonna take the Jaclyn Hill palette. You can use whatever eyeshadows you guys have. You don't have to use the ones that I'm using, but I'm going to take this one here with that same brush. It's like the third one from the top row. Oh, you can't even see it. It's this one here. I'm going to take this one here, the same brush, and place it in the crease and just work it back and forth. I'm going to take this palette right here. It's called Ace Beauty, whatever. This palette here, and I'm going to take this shade called Cinnamon, this one right here, with a Sigma E25 brush, and I'm going to place that here. Kind of doing the same motion, just blending it up and out. Okay, so I'm going to take this color right here with just another blending brush. I want to warm up my look. I feel it's not warm enough for me. So I'm just going to put that in the crease. I'm going to take this shade with a flat brush. This is a blending brush. This is actually from MAC 217. The numbers came off because it's old. And I'm just going to place it on my outer lid part. This has a little too much. And just blend it up and out with that brush. So it'll look like this. Now I'm going to take this gold eyeshadow. This is actually from Ofra. It's from their holiday palette that I got, I think, last year. It doesn't have the name of the eyeshadow, but you could honestly use whatever gold your heart desires. Like, again, you don't have to use this exactly like the same gold that I'm using. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some of the ColourPop setting spray onto a flat shader brush. And then I'm going to place it here. On my lid. So I'm going to throw on some mascara, and once I'm done with the mascara, I'm going to throw on some eyelashes, and these are called Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. This is what they look like without them on my eyes, and I will put those, I'll throw those on, I'll be right back. So there, I think there's like a little earthquake because like everything on my table started shaking, but I threw on my eyelashes, and I don't know how I feel about these eyelashes. They look prettier in the box than I feel like they do on my eyes. Yeah, I don't know, but I'm going to continue on with this tutorial. So I'm going to throw on some black eyeliner. This is just my favorite from MAC ever. It's the Feline from MAC, and it's a coal black. And I'm just going to tight line. Like, look at this. I have to do my eyelashes again, you guys. This is just like rubbish. I'm not happy on how they're applying. I might just throw on a different pair, honestly. I use the Pure Bombshell eyelashes, and then I'm going to take a pencil brush. I just put a little bit more eyeliner on. I'll take a pencil brush and just smudge that black out. Actually, I'm going to change brushes because I don't like the way that one. I'm going to take this Chanel one. This is the Chanel number 4. Yeah, I like the way this one feels. And then I'm just going to pick up a little bit of that same brown that we put on the outside. I'll pick some of that one up. And then place it on top. So I just put a little bit of a highlighter, like, you know, underneath my brow bone and my inner tear duct. You could use whatever your heart desires. Now I'm going to put some bronzer on, and I'm going to use Americano. Oh, it's right here. Americano from Ofra. I believe that's, yeah, it's Americano. And I'm just going to use this crown angled brush. I actually like to use this brush for my bronzer. Because I don't really have a big forehead. Like, it's big, but it's not too big. I don't know, it's kind of hard for me to use a bigger brush. I just really like this one. What I want to do actually now is take these horrible eyelashes off. These eyelashes suck. I'm going to use some setting powder to clean up my bronzer that I put on. Just clean it up just a smidge. I don't want to bake it. I just want to clean it up. I just want to clean it up just a smidge. I'm using this blusher. You can use any, you know, pink. I like to have, for like my favorite, this is like my favorite Christmas look, and for this I like to have like really pretty, like glowy cheeks, and I feel like this one here has like the good amount of shine for that. See? I don't know, it's just whatever you're into. You could totally use a matte one, but I love to use this one for Christmas. So I'm just going to throw on some highlighter on my face, and then what I'm going to use, I'm just going to use a subtle highlighter. I'm going to use a Anastasia Glow Palette. I'm going to use Starburst. If you hear a little girl talking in the background, that's my Kayla. She's my little cousin. Bless her heart. She came in and was like, oh look, I'm talking to my Nina. I was like, oh, he's talking too. She was talking to my cousin Stephanie. I miss them. But I'm just gonna do Starburst just like here. Just like that. Just a little subtle glow. I don't want like too much because I feel like my blusher has a lot of like, it's pretty shimmery. So I don't want to put a lot of highlighter on because I feel like I don't really want it right now. I'm not feeling it. So now I have my highlighter on, my false eyelashes. I need to put on mascara on my lower lash line, and then I'm gonna fill in my lips. I'm actually gonna use 2 lip liners. I'm gonna use the MAC Cherry lip liner, and this one here called Jonte Bleu. I think I'm saying it like super wrong, but that's the name in brown sugar. So I'm gonna do brown sugar like on the, like here. bit to like really deepen that the cherry color to give me more dimension. This looks weird right now, but I just want to show you guys an example because I need to know mascara. And then I'll be right back. I am actually just gonna fill in my lips with the cherry color, and I'm gonna get the Milan, what is it called? The Milan liquid lipstick in Devotion. It's this shade right here, and this is like the perfect red that I've been looking for a really long time. It's a liquid lipstick. It's quite drying actually. That's the only thing I can say I honestly don't like about it, but this is such a gorgeous color. So I'm gonna put that on top of the cherry. Can you hear Michaela? And that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this. This is like my favorite go-to holiday look. I actually wore this last year. It was just a little bit more toned down for Christmas, but I did wear this. I wore the same dress, I wore the red lips, I wear the gold eyeshadows and the lipsticks, but I actually been really into like kind of putting black in my waterline and smudging that out, so that's why it's a little bit more different this time, but I love it. This is my favorite look. Now if you guys like this look too, please let me know by leaving a comment down below or subscribing to me. That'd be awesome if you did. And also don't forget to like this video and tell your friends about me. Until my next video, I shall see you guys next time. Till then, bye.